What's going on, guys? Joseph here, back with another video. We got L'Oreal in the cut. You've seen him in our last video that we just posted about our trailer. If you have not seen it yet, check out the video right here. Wonderful video. We got some exciting news. We are going to be starting a landscaping business, and so technically we've already started, but this is going to be the first video on the channel showing you guys. So we're going to be, trying to branch out into something bigger and better, and progress every day, right? So you guys have seen the success with the pressure washing. Now just stay tuned for the landscaping. Hopefully we have some stuff in the works for that. We're at our first property. We're going to be cutting all this grass here, and it has been overgrown. You'll be seeing some more videos later. So we have made already some initial investments into this. If you're looking to get started, we picked up a weed whacker, a lawnmower, and also a blower. So we picked that up, which is our first initial investment for this to get these jobs done, because obviously we do pressure washing and not landscaping. But the initial investment cost was about what, 400 bucks, Lori? About $400, a little less than $400. And we already have 2 properties, right? So if you get these properties on monthly contracts, you'll make your first investment back within a month or 2, depending how many houses you get. But either way, same thing with pressure washing. You cannot be afraid to make investments when they're going to get paid back, right? So, and then the rest of it's profit, plus all your expenses and all that. But yeah, so this is just some of the equipment we got. Weed whacker, blower here, and our lawnmower. So stay tuned to see how that stuff works. All right, guys, real quick, I want to give a special shout out to Jobber for helping me with my business. And as you guys know, we're starting this landscaping group. So Jobber is going to be helping us expand with multiple businesses. And now that we have pressure washing and we're getting started into landscaping, we can have Jobber help us organize only our landscaping clients into one segment, and then our pressure washing clients into one segment. And what that does is helps us send invoices and estimates out to different clients, but all in one CRM. And so that's just one of the ways that Jobber can help you. If you guys need any help expanding, growing, maintaining, anything like that, a part of your business, just hit the link down below, get 14 days for free, and then 20% off your first 6 months. If not, no big deal. Let's go.
Yeah, so this is probably about a month worth of growth. We just got out of the summer, but the sun is still hitting really, really hard. But with this, putting out all the stuff that we do have, we are going to have to mow it just a little bit higher, just for all the clumps, so it can at least look good. And next time we come back here, we'll mow it a little bit lower, and we'll just keep it like that so we can have the grass, because this is very long grass. Very long. It's been very long since we made it.
I bet. As you can see, the grass is cut now. Looks a lot different than when we got here. And so L'Oreal is finishing the back right there. This is the other side. Looks pretty good. So L'Oreal's finishing the back, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start blowing with the blower. So main thing I want to account for is make sure these edges stay clean. I'm not blowing everything into the neighbor's yard or across into the street, things like that. So all right, guys, we are at our second property. We already cut this about 2 weeks ago, just to show you anything's possible. We're gonna see if this pressure washing or landscaping takes off more.